There you go, right there.
Turn off the lights. Hit the lights, nigga.
Shit got next like ex-convicts on trap shit. Bound to make $1 million off rap shit. Niggas better know it's a rap shit. It's a rap shit. I got my Nina and it's loco. Fuck you and your logo. Index on go mode, nigga. Knock the horse off your polo, nigga. Lean off the saddle, man. Cook crack shit. 36 zips on some crack shit. Me and Maserati making crack, yeah. LA rides head crack, yeah. And I can't go back and forth with these actors or these rappers is non-factors. So of course their music is soft and the catalog selling dwarves.
Sorry, did you say you was with Maserati?
Yeah, man, and we got a couple cuetes, and we bought a couple bags for the bodies. No problem. One false move and we'll add this bitch out in the lobby. Do you read, do you copy? Pistol whip, slap with the stick, no hockey. Yeah, man, this is revenge, retaliation, get back. Okay, Maserati, get the yapper, man. Don't push this nigga wig back, and he did that. Proceed to put the pistol to his fitted cap, and he did that. What you on, man? Me and my nigga on get back.
Rims crack for this riff rap. War ready, get your gift wrap. Niggas talking crazy, bitch slap. Maserati keep a big strap. 238s in my backpack. Chop 'em a rap in my knapsack. Location on where the cash at. I'm a sick nigga, hazmat. I'm Omicron in your ozone. I don't throw stones, I just blast cats. I'm a crazy nigga, backpack. Black cards in them black bags. Black masks and them blue flags. Send shots at your do-rag. Body bag, nigga toe tag. I'll fuck your thigh on a monk rag. In a mansion, homie, in a big bath. Bubble slide down a fat ass. Smash it twice, then I pass. These niggas broke, shattered glass. Lay low in the back truck, throw your chuckers up. Let them know what the fuck is up. Ain't nobody really touching us. You fuck niggas really under us.
Revenge, retaliation, get back. Okay, Maserati, get the yapper, man. Don't push this nigga wig back, and he did that. Proceed to put the pistol to his fitted cap, and he did that. What you on, man? Me and my nigga on get back.
Oh, we got a problem here? We got a problem here? We got a problem, nigga?
Oh, what up with this?